City Rail Link is a game changer for Auckland. The 3.45 kilometre twin tunnel underground rail link, including 2 new underground stations, will significantly change the way people travel around the city, improving travel options and journey times and doubling the number of Aucklanders who live within 30 minutes travel of the CBD. This is a complex project, which is why an alliance delivery model was chosen by our customer, City Rail Link Limited. This relationship-style model enables a public sector agency to work collaboratively with private sector partners to deliver a major capital asset. Alliances are typically used for highly complex or large infrastructure projects that are challenging to scope and price. Downer is part of the Link Alliance, a consortium of 7 companies which are delivering the main stations, tunnels and other infrastructure. While the Link Alliance is a great example of Downer working with other global companies on a collaborative contract, it is also an example of collaboration within Downer. The project provides an opportunity to integrate our capabilities and deliver the best outcome for the customer. The infrastructure projects team is leading the project for Downer. Transport Services is providing a large amount of the plant works, routine maintenance works and small civil components. The Facilities Services and Utilities business is delivering 2 electrical services contracts, and the Hawkins team is responsible for building the stations. In addition, Downer is also preferred supplier to maintain the 3 City Rail Link stations for up to 30 years. Leveraging the combined capabilities of Downer to provide a complete infrastructure solution is a unique offering in New Zealand. It's a value no one else can provide and a more efficient value chain for the customer. CRL is a high-profile example of the One Downer offering. We are seeing more projects going to tender that provide similar opportunities for Downer to deliver an integrated solution, leveraging all of our capabilities. The alliance model has also been successfully used for other projects in New Zealand. Team New Zealand's victory over Luna Rossa to retain the 36 America's Cup on Auckland Harbour was a moment to saviour for all Kiwis. It was also a source of great pride for Downer New Zealand, which was part of the Wynyard Edge Alliance that turned Auckland's Wynyard Quarter waterfront into a set of bases and other infrastructure that enabled the city to successfully host the event. The New Zealand Government and Auckland Council formed the Wynyard Edge Alliance in 2018 to create a stage for the America's Cup and a waterfront destination that Kiwis love. As with all international sporting events, the date was set and the delivery was urgent. Given the extremely tight timeframes, it was determined the best delivery option was the alliance model, where a public sector agency, in this case the Crown and Auckland Council, worked in collaboration with private sector parties including Downer, Becker, Tonkin and Taylor and McConnell Dale. At the time the alliance was formed, nobody knew how many teams were coming, where they would be located or how the bases would be configured. All parties were required to work collaboratively in good faith, acting with integrity to make unanimous decisions that were best for project. In December 2020, less than 3 years after the Wynyard Edge Alliance was formed, the team delivered the project on time, under budget and with zero harm to people or the environment. The Alliance delivered all key performance milestones on time and in some cases earlier than agreed dates. This was despite the disruption from COVID-19. We achieved more than 1 million man-hours with no lost time injuries, a rare achievement driven by strong zero harm culture. Just as rare is to complete a project of this scale under budget, but this was achieved thanks to innovation and collaboration by all partners. We also achieved some outstanding sustainability outcomes. The works have helped transform the contaminated section of Wynyard Point into a public asset with low maintenance lifespan. All marine assets installed by the Alliance have been designed to allow for sea level rise and constructed with minimal environmental impact. The Alliance also formed early and enduring partnerships with local stakeholders and with Mana Whenua. This led to minimal consenting issues and formed relationships that created success for all involved. With little margin for error, the alliance model needed to work, and through cooperation, collaboration and innovation, it did. The alliance turned a brownfield waterfront area into a functional event space and a platform for Auckland's future growth.